What is IFTTT?
If IFTTT stands for if this, then that. It's a free platform that connects different apps, devices, letting you automate tasks without coding. With IFTTT, everyday actions like sending reminders or controlling smart home devices can happen automatically, saving time and effort. Anyone can use IFTTT to simplify repetitive digital routines.
How does IFTTT work?
IFTTT uses simple statements called applets. Each applet has a trigger and an action. If something happens in one app or device, then something else happens automatically in another. For example, if you post a new photo on Instagram, then it could be saved to your Google Drive with no extra steps.
Popular ways to use IFTTT.
Many people use IFTTT to automate daily tasks, like receiving a weather alert each morning or turning on the lights when they arrive home. IFTTT also helps manage social media, back up important files, and get notifications for emails or calendar events. The possibilities are almost endless and require no technical skills.
Setting up your first IFTTT automation.
Getting started with IFT is simple. After creating a free account, you can browse ready-made applets or make your own by choosing a trigger and an action. Follow the easy prompts to connect your apps or devices and activate the automation with just a few clicks. No coding or advanced setup is required.
Tips for making the most of IFTTT.
To maximize IFTTT, prioritize automations that save you time or help you stay organized. Try exploring featured applets for inspiration and regularly update permissions for better security. As more apps and devices add IFTTT support, new possibilities open up. Experiment to discover workflows that best fit your routine.